Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys a way to fix iPhone stuck at any screen by using Tenorshare Reiboot application. By using this fix, you can even fix your iPhone 12 if it is stuck at any of the screen or if it is got any problem. You can use this tutorial to fix the issue. So let's jump into this tutorial. This video is sponsored by Tenorshare and they did provide me with a 30% discount key for this Tenorshare Reiboot, which you can use to get this Tenorshare Reiboot. Also, they did provide me with a 5 key to give away. So to enter the giveaway, just comment your thought regarding this Tenorshare Reiboot application. So now let's jump into this tutorial. So download this application and install this application and connect your device to your PC. And if your device is stuck at any Apple logo or stuck at a black screen, just use enter recovery mode option from this application to enter your device into recovery mode. After that, choose the repair OS function. So in repair OS, there will be two options, standard and deep repair. Standard repair will fix the issue without deleting data on your iOS device, and the deep repair will fix your issue by deleting all your iPhone data. So I prefer you guys to first use standard repair, and if it is not working, you can use the deep repair. Whatever method you choose, the steps are same. So choose your preferred repair method. Then on the next screen, select the location where you want to download the iOS software file. If you want to use other download manager like IDM to download this firmware file, you can use copy option to copy the link to download and choose the preferred download manager and download using that. And after downloading, use select option to select the downloaded file and press fix now, and it will install the latest software on your iOS device, which in turn will fix the issue on your iDevice. So that's all about using Tenorshare Reiboot to fix the iPhone stuck at various screen. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.